Singing Academy!
How it will change, though, if you train with a good teacher, is that you notice that your speaking voice is stronger now as well. Not only singing, but your speaking voice. Another one of my students, Cara, who's had chemical damage to her vocal folds and she has multiple sclerosis. She messaged me recently saying that her singing lessons did for her voice what speech therapy didn't do. And her GP, the person who sees her all the time, she's unwell, she has a lot of issues, she sees her GP all the time, and they noticed that her voice is much stronger now. So what you will notice with good singing lessons, yes, your voice will change for the better. It will be way easier to use it. You will sound more projected, more well-rounded. You will develop a resonance and presence in your voice that will make people want to listen to you. And not just sound like this, there are a lot of people who sound like this.
100%, because the same techniques that we're learning singing can be transposed into speaking. So if you're giving a lecture, I taught 10 hours on the last couple of Wednesdays in a row, and I have to make sure when I'm speaking, I'm using my core, articulating properly, I'm not pushing big sounds through small gaps like this. So yeah, and I also speak melodically, but it is definitely, you're training the same muscle when you're singing as what you are when you're speaking. I see that with students. I've got a student of mine, Jason Pullman-Smith, and when he came in, he was not speaking that confidently, but now he opens his mouth, he articulates, he's a very, very confident person now, and I think our singing lessons really, they transcend all the way. They're going to make you a more confident singer, but then also speaker, then also a person as well too. It was articulation, pronunciation, diction, support.
Yes.
But no.
Tongue placement, very important.
Very important. But your singing teacher, good quality singing lessons should be working with you. Okay, we have an assessment when we get all of our students, we sit down with them for the first couple of minutes, we assess what they want to achieve, what they want to do, and we work with you, and we try to come to a compromise, a middle ground. I try to come to a compromise, a middle ground on every situation. So if some person wants to do something and I don't think it's technically great, I always try to come to a compromise. There's a compromise in everything. Yeah. And we try to work with the student to get the best outcome.
Vox Singing Academy!
Thank you for watching. If you've found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. If you want to learn more about your voice, please post your questions in the comments below. If we pick out one of your questions to do a video segment for, you will win a free lesson with myself or one of my fantastic singing teachers. So until next time, aim high, chase your dreams, believe in yourself, and have fun singing.